Anyway, for those who do not know me, my name is Ntati Momaragen Tonto, and yeah, welcome to Women in 5 channel. Guys, it's been full 2 years of me not posting anything, and honestly, I was just busy with school, and now that I'm done with school, I felt like let me go back to my channel doing the cooking series of, I'll say, the healthy food that I've been incorporating in my diet, or that has been a part of my lifestyle. I think a video of where I've been is something that we'll do later. I'm not sure if I should actually do a voiceover throughout the video. I just think the cooking part is self-explanatory, and I think you guys should watch and enjoy the cooking series. I don't want to bore you with voiceovers, and where I might need to be talking, I will do so. So yeah, let's watch the video. Then I add plain yogurt to my chicken. Guys, adding plain yogurt to meat just makes it tender, like it becomes very, very soft. I love this process, even though obviously plain yogurt is becoming very expensive, guys. It's becoming very expensive. So after mixing everything together, I place the chicken in the fridge for about an hour. So next up, let's get to how I cooked the brown rice. I diced the onion, which I'm going to fry. I also diced the garlic. I think I used about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. I finally got the procedure of cooking brown rice right. I've been practicing this whole time. So what I realized is 1 cup of rice, the ratio should be 1 cup of rice to 2.5 cups of water. After frying your onion until it's translucent, you can add your favorite spices. I just added black pepper and beef stock, and then later added tomato paste. I then add garlic so that it doesn't burn. I add it at a later stage with some thyme. Guys, the aroma of this is just amazing. Then I add the 1 cup of rice, then fry it a bit with the onion and garlic. After making sure that it's well combined, I add the water, the amount of water that we talked about, which is 2.5 cups of water. And then I just let it boil and let it simmer for about an hour. At this point I realized that I didn't have rockets in the house, so I had to rush to the grocery store to buy it, and guess what? I ended up buying other vegetables, but at least it's things that I needed in the house. I'm back at home and our rice is looking pretty good, and our pumpkin, I just added salt and honey, and I took out the chicken breast from the fridge, guys. These came out so well. They came out so well. Yes.
Who's the one that draw food?
Yes, I'm so hungry. Do you want food?
There you go. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marty. Daddy.
Guys, you can substitute this cheese sauce with the yogurt sauce because I believe the cheese sauce has a lot of calories. Guys, this is how I plated everything. It tasted so yummy. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these videos, and I hope to see you guys soon. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.